Hi guys, another week, another Skyline video. So updates on my Skyline. Last week we did some engine work and it's all started, and we're going to be showing you about the build and everything. But today we're showing you what's happened cosmetically to the car. You're going to be shocked. Let's go. Man, what the hell has happened to my car? Like, does that look like my Skyline? Mohammed, good to see you.
Good to see you too.
Mohammed, what have you done to my car?
Well, we just like having fun, and then we're trying to learn with your car, so having a more.
You're not, no. You're not learning, he's not learning. 1, 2, 3, 4. I think he's got a couple more around the back there. He's not learning. He knows exactly what he's doing. He's had my car like a week, and like, gosh, where's the bumper? Where's the headlights? Where's the wings? Look inside.
Completely, and then we put all your parts on eBay.
No, I don't want to hear that. So, we're here, obviously, with Mohammed at Alma. He's going to basically, so the engine's obviously getting done and built as we speak, but we're also doing another build on the outside. We're giving it a makeover. We're going to make it look pretty, right?
Definitely.
New color? New color,
of course.
So everything has been stripped.
It's not going to be white anymore.
It's going to go to bare metal, and then shall I let you explain exactly what we do?
Yeah, absolutely fine. So of course that's the engine bay. The engine's off already, and we're gonna take all the stickers off. We're gonna a proper preparation inside, because that's gonna be completely different color, even the stamp panel as well. And under the plastic here, everything there is gonna be completely different color.
Yeah. So basically it's like a full strip down, windows out, inside out, paintwork.
Show them now.
Yeah. Complete color change, isn't it? And then full restoration as we're going along, aren't we?
Absolutely. So if you look at this side here, guys, bare metal completely. So this is the best way we're doing. Of course, we used paint stripper, so we don't want to damage the body. And then we rubbed it down, we masked it. So now the car's been masked already, and has to go to the oven to get the epoxy primer. Every single dent on the car, if there is dents, so it's gonna be epoxy primer first, and then we do our fill work. Even here under the window screen, you can see all bare metal completely. So
So the old paint has literally come completely off, and it's kind of been stripped to its bare metal. That color looks kind of good though, doesn't it?
I know,
the chromy
just
silver.
On the top, and that's it.
Wow. Okay, so yeah, look, we could just.
We can film this as well.
Okay. So this is
the action room, basically.
This is where the magic happens, yeah.
Absolutely.
This is where you
100%.
prime everything when it's already ready to go, and then you spray it again with the color. And
100%.
Okay.
So this is the bits of pieces now. The side skirts are ready for primer.
Okay.
As we rub down, as you can see, all the stone chips, everything we got rid of the scratches as well.
I can see my back bumper.
So this back bumper, what we have done here, we have masked the Skyline writing.
Okay.
Because if we put primer on the top, so we're adding.
Oh, it adds a layer.
Yes.
Yeah.
And we don't want that.
Okay.
So basically, we covered it. We get a primer all around.
Okay.
And then
Gotcha.
even those for the back bumper.
Oh yeah, the rear spats, the rear spats.
We stripped them
Okay.
bare to fiberglass completely.
Okay. And then obviously we got some exciting new stuff coming as well. A bit of a body kit, a massive makeover. So yeah, looking forward to this. And what do you reckon? So this is all
all been prepped.
Prepped,
And now
okay.
ready for primer.
And then the car's been stripped down to bare metal.
Bare metal completely.
And then the next stage on that is the epoxy primer, you said, is
Epoxy
it?
primer,
Epoxy
yeah,
primer,
this is like an acid primer.
Okay.
So prevent any rust in the future and all that.
And that's very important on that
highly
car.
recommended on restoration,
Yeah,
guys.
especially JDM cars, isn't it?
Absolutely, because they don't like water.
Yeah, rust is like cancer. Rust is like cancer on an
100% on those cars, yeah,
old Japanese car. Yeah,
yeah.
especially in the UK with the winter.
Yeah, salts and all that.
Yeah.
So it's all affected. So yeah, I mean that's ready for primer now, and the car for epoxy primer.
Yeah.
And then after epoxy primer, as we said, filler work.
Yeah.
And then primer it again, and then rubbing it down, make it ready for paint. And then the doors as well. We're gonna show you the doors now. It's been stripped bare metal as well.
Okay, I'm so excited. This is like, I can't wait for the results.
We're pushing it for you. We're pushing
I know you are. I appreciate that. So I came in and I said to Mohammed, I said, look, the engine's being built. It's going to take about a month. You got a month, and he's like, no, I need about 4 months. So anyway, we're coming somewhere in between anyway for the time frame.
Yeah,
So
especially this kind of job, we cannot rush it because we're doing something special and has to last long.
Yeah.
It's not even 5 years, not even 6 years. That has to last minimum 10 years.
Definitely.
The paint work, the shine, everything. So we cannot rush it. But he's been very flexible with me. He gave me a bit more time.
I've been patient. I've been patient.
So AFFY here, and then it's just shocking. Basically, he came on the right time, and as you can see now, the bumper is already on primer. This is the first coat. So of course, the undercoat, the primer has to match the top coat. We cannot throw any color of primer, so it has to be undercoat. Whatever system says, it has to be the undercoats to match the top coats. So basically, this is the first coat we're doing, and of course must be 3 coats. So to cover any scratches being missed or whatever. Look upside down, GTR.
Wow. Yeah. Okay.
That's another.
Wow. Was it R34?
R34 GTR in red color.
Okay, so that's the shell
basically,
of the R34
on the
sideways.
rotor, so we can bare metal, all the car bare metal gone, even underneath as well.
Wow.
Nothing left on it, so
Crazy,
it's ready for.
There's an R33 here.
That's orange GTR for Mr. Ibrahim.
And you've done an engine bay in this as well?
Engine bay being completely been painted.
Wow.
Of course, he got already a sequential gearbox on it.
Okay.
So
okay.
yeah.
And that's a midnight purple, is it?
This is the midnight purple 3.
Wow, very nice.
Yep.
So that's my 2 doors, right?
That's it. These are the doors.
Right.
So as well, being stripped bare metal, even under the handle.
Yeah.
That's all being stripped bare metal.
Okay.
Nothing left.
Gotcha.
So it's just like, you know what's going on your car in the future, you know. So because this car, you had a very beautiful history.
Yeah.
So now you know exactly what on your car.
That's right, yeah. A lot of the times, obviously, when you strip cars, paintwork's down and things like that, and you don't know what the history is going to be like, or what they're like underneath. But this one was pretty straight, you said. There wasn't much, it was pretty straight. There was no mad stuff underneath, hidden stuff.
Yeah,
which is always good to know.
Yeah,
and now we
100%.
kind of know what's inside and out.
That's
if
it.
you like.
Absolutely. It's like your engine.
Yeah.
About the, what you call it, the crank.
Yes, that's right. We didn't.
So you thought it's 2.8, but it was
but
2.6.
2.6, yeah.
So now you know
It was a
everything
stock
on your
one,
car.
yeah, exactly, yeah. So we know. But it's crazy because right now it looks like what the hell has just happened to this car? We got for like 2 years to put it back together, but no. I'm relying on him to do this within a month or 2.
Yes,
So,
definitely. Hopefully,
yeah.
it will be.
Everybody who wants to see this car sooner, comment below so he can speed up and do my job first. No pressure.
No, guys, please don't pressure me. I've got lots of big projects in here, so we're gonna make everybody happy at the end of the day. Yeah, so.
Have you ever seen a Volvo that looks like that? I don't think I've ever seen a Volvo that looks like that in my whole life. Wow. What year is that?
This is 1946.
1946.
Yeah,
Wow.
Yeah, we done some work on it. So it's being covered, we put it here on the storage.
A bit different to the Volvo we came in today, Shaz, right?
Big difference.
Very
big difference.
Yeah. So you done some work on this one, yeah?
Oh yeah.
Okay. Wow. That's quite a nice colour for like a 1946, right?
It is.
Awesome.
Like beige.
Yeah, yeah. So Ibrahim, that was your R34, wasn't it? The orange one you
This
mentioned.
is the R34
Wow, okay.
GTT.
Okay.
Full conversion to GTR.
Okay.
And it was in white color.
Okay, so that you had a full color change on also.
Full
That was
color
originally
change,
white.
cut the quarter panel, change the quarter panels.
Wow.
Of course, GTR wings, GTR backlights. And this is like that color. It's,
Oh, so that's a lot wider now, isn't it?
Oh yeah, absolutely, absolutely.
Wow.
Because GTT is just like small quarter panel, so.
That
But,
pearlescent
yeah, this is
in
a
that.
3-stage pearlescent.
Wow.
So
Amazing.
yeah, I love that color. Lots of people say to me, "Oh, orange.
Yeah.
Why you doing it orange?" I said, "Well, basically there is some green already on the market, but
Yeah.
I never seen
It's your personal
orange.
preference.
This is my
it's
personal.
what you like, isn't it? What you
That's
want.
it.
Yeah.
That's it. Absolutely. Even the engine bay,
Wow.
I just put it back together.
So the whole of the inside.
The whole of it. Yeah.
So there you are, guys. The car is completely different. I couldn't even recognize it. Crazy.
Yeah.
Crazy what this man's done to my car. I'm looking forward. Thank you.
In a good way.
I'm
It's
looking
my
forward
pleasure,
to
sir. My pleasure.
obviously when it's done and when the outcome, when it's ready, and I can't wait to see the results.
No, definitely. You're gonna see different.
Thank you so
different
much.
Car. It's
And
my
we'll be
pleasure.
in again
My pleasure,
to see
sir.
how it gets on. Obviously, how this build comes along. Obviously, we want to see the end result, but I think we'll be probably here before then and see how we get on. Also, the engine work, we'll be going over there and seeing how that's getting on, because that's going through like a whole crazy build as well as the car in and out. So lots happening, loads going on right now. So guys, tell me what color I'm going for. I've picked a color. It's going to be completely different to what my car was originally. Tell me what I've gone for in the comments. Let's see how many of you can guess what color I'm going for and what I'm doing.